Don't call her name. Don't call her name with Cardi B. Go Cardi B. Why to? You really bisexual? Stop telling me to pick just one of them. The ear too long, it look weird. Why is your skin delicate? Oh, sir.
I got my hair done. My daughter did my hair. How do you like it?